In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fusion Markets to TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your dashboard on Fusion Markets and you want to click Account at the top left. Now here you want to select if you want to connect a real or so live or a demo account. I'm going to go ahead and select the demo over here, and then you have to create a new account by clicking this new account button, and under trading platform you must select TradingView, and then of course you can go ahead and fill this in however you want and click on create account. After that, an account like this is going to get created over here, and to your email you use to actually sign into Fusion Markets, you'll receive basically a mail where you'll see your credentials to sign into TradingView. Now from there, go ahead and go to TradingView, sign into your account on tradingview.com, hover over products and click on supercharts. Inside their supercharts here at the bottom left, you'll see it's going to say trading panel. You want to click on that to pull it up and then drag it up like this. There we go. And here you want to look for Fusion Markets. If you can't find them, click on show all brokers, and you can even click on Ctrl F on your keyboard and then type in Fusion, and it's going to basically find it over here somewhere on your screen. After you do this, click on Fusion Markets and select if you want to connect a demo or a live account. For me, it's demo. And then inside your email, you'll be able to see your account number, which for me is already filled in, and then the password as well. Paste both in here, click on connect. And after you do that, there we go. As you can see, I'm now signed in, and I can drag this back down, and I am signed into Fusion Markets. As you can see, I can open up the trading panel, and I can go ahead and start trading here directly on TradingView. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.